Hi, I'm Dave with Amber Waves Adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and I want to apologize. We haven't posted a lot lately. We had a few things to happen. Number one, the weather, and as you can see, this is our studio outside on the farm. And the other thing, my wife's car had an issue with her left front bearing and the axle, so I had to take a time out and repair that. And so that repair was successful. But we're going to try to be very consistent with this. And I want to thank you for tuning in and watching, because we are growing, and that's because of you. We really appreciate that. So what I want to talk to you about today is a PCV valve. So this is the manifold that goes on the passenger side, and this is the PCV valve that I took out. And you'll notice this ring right here, this little flange, that holds a plunger and a washer and a little spring in, and it attaches right here. And you can replace this thing, but it's if you've got bigger hands than mine, God bless you. So what happened, I replaced the PCV valve myself, and unbeknownst to me, this PCV valve was defective. As you can see, there's no flange, there's no spring or washer or plunger. Okay, so when I had the valve cover gaskets replaced, as well as the valve covers, one of the shop technicians came out and told me, he said, "Hey Dave, you got something going on with your PCV valve." And I said, "Well, I just replaced it 3,000 miles ago." And he said, "Let me show you." And he brought it in and showed me, and this is the problem. So the reason why I want to tell you this is, all you driveway mechanics and YouTube University graduates, be aware of this if you replace your PCV valve on your Jeep Wrangler, your JK or JKU. And I'm not sure how it is on the other ones, but this is for the 3.6 motor. So you need to make sure that this flange is on there and it's in there tight, and it's a good quality PCV valve. If it looks like this, it's okay. And this is the original one, or I should say the old one, that I took off. And I just kept it for grins and giggles, and it just worked out where I can show it to you. So this is what it needs to look like, and this is what it doesn't need to look like. So we're clear on that. Okay? So write in the comments if you have any questions or concerns, or if you've had a similar problem with your 3.6 motor. Here's the other funny thing that happened. While I was there, and I got this work done over at Dealer Lifts, you've seen some of those videos, they ordered a couple of other PCV valves. So, and I'm not sure where they got them from, because there's multiple places that they can get them from, AutoZone and O'Reilly's and all of that. But they had two that came in and they were defective. So the third one, and I thought I was going to have to leave the Jeep overnight and come back and get it the next day, but they persevered, and they are awesome folks over there at Dealer Lifts in Benson. They persevered, and the third PCV valve that was delivered to that location, it was okay. And they got it on and got me back up on the road, and it was just wonderful. But all their technicians and all their mechanics are highly professional. They're highly trained, and I would trust them with future repairs with my Jeep, and I am, and I'm going to. So I'm really pleased with what they've done for me thus far. So kind of a quick video, but I did want to share this with you about your PCV. And I'm not going to get into the function of the PCV valve. You can get into all that. But when this thing was connected on the back of the manifold, there is a hose that comes up and it goes back this way. And that's where that spring and plunger and all ended up. And they found it and they got it all cleaned out and everything. So props to those mechanics and those technicians for finding this stuff and getting it corrected. I've had bad situations with other local garages that I trusted, and I'll tell you some more of those stories later, and they did not do the right thing. There's a reason things need to be torqued to spec, and not over torqued. You just don't, well, it feels like it's tight enough kind of thing. There is a reason for that, and that's because things can leak or start seeping, and you have to make sure things are torqued. So with that, I'm going to say thank you again. We are growing, and it's kind of amazing to see the channel grow every week, and it's exciting. And we have a lot more content coming for you. We're going to do some camping content, reviewing some camping gear. We've got more cooking videos coming, a variety of different methods, and there'll be some more mechanical things coming as well. So with that, I'm going to say thank you, God bless, take care, and we'll see you on the next video.